This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Saira Campbell. Welcome to 45 Grove Farm Lane. This adorable 3-bedroom 2-bath split foyer style home has much to offer. Brand new 30-year architectural shingles just installed. This home also features a 2-car garage, large fenced rear yard with storage shed, and a large unfinished basement with bath rough-in for room to grow. All appliances convey and home is move-in ready. Ideally located near shopping, restaurants and entertainment for convenience. Come make this your home sweet home. For more information, review the details below or contact Saira Campbell at 304-263-2121.